I went to London for the weekend, home of the Queen, and here's how it went. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to subscribe and like the video. We're finally here! Let's go get the tube to our hotel. Okay, the room was amazing. It was massive. Okay, we didn't stay in the room that long. We just did a little bit of unpacking, and then we went straight to Piccadilly Circus to go to the Rainforest Cafe. Saturday morning, I woke up at around 7, 8ish, and we went straight to London Dungeons. Okay, so after this we went on a boat trip on the River Thames. It was super fun. Let's roll the clips. After this, we went to a restaurant to go get our dinner. I had a really nice barbecue pizza. It was amazing. Me and my mum went for a little trip around 11 o'clock at night to the Tower Bridge. It was amazing at night. All the lights made it just glow, and we went underneath, got some nice photos. Our last day, and it was really fun. We didn't know what was going on. My parents had secretly planned something. We started walking to the Eliottjp Park. We got closer and closer to it, and then we found out we were going on the world's tallest slide. It was very tall. Here's the footage of when I went down. It was terrifying before we went down. My heart was thumping. I thought, what if something goes wrong? Oh no.
Oh! Oh wow. Oh, beautiful sight. Very nice. Make sure to subscribe. Oh. Subscribe, please. Subscribe.
That's basically it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. This really took a long time to make, and please subscribe. Thank you. Goodbye.